Hey Gemini, getting ready to do your reading. This is going to be from 2nd of October till the 8th of October. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. I've excluded the 1st of October because I've done the full moon reading and I've included October 1st in that reading. So let's see what happens for Gemini. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs from October 2nd till October 8th. Okay. We see you, Gemini. Okay. Card at the bottom of the deck is the Hangman in reverse. Okay. So I'm getting the energy that there was some kind of relationship that you were in the past. Could be with an earth sign individual, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Also, it could be a water sign individual, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or an air sign individual, just like you, Gemini, Aquarius, or Libra. But even though this union had some kind of stability, some kind of, what do we say, stability, warmth, there was emotional security here, but there was something lacking. And I feel it was communication, lack of communication. I feel as if when you guys communicated, it was it was fine. Everything felt good and complete. But that communication came rarely, which created some kind of a barrier, some kind of argument when it came to your guys' relationship. It could be a Libran as well. Yeah, strong Libra energies. One of you walked away from this connection. I think it's you, Gemini, who walked away. This person still misses you. They saw a future with you, but what they don't understand is that, so for them, not communicating is a way of life. It's normal. But for you, it's not normal. You need to communicate. You need to have some kind of serious talk. If I'm right, discussing your emotions, your ambitions, just being in each other's elements, in being in each other's space for at least 1 hour in a day. That kind of energy where one needs that emotional uh, conversation with the other. But this ending was pretty bad. It felt as if you guys, it was perfect till it lasted. That's what the other person thinks. They don't see that there was this barrier, this communication barrier. They feel that you guys were doing great. I think most of you or some of you met through friends or have mutual friends who have tried to mend this relationship, who have tried to intervene and, tell you that it's okay, you could just let go. But there is something in you which is not letting this aspect go, because you know that the moment you give in, this person might just become what they were, and there will be a lack of communication which is going to hamper this relationship somehow or the other. And again, there could be an ending which is going to be worse than the previous one. Right now, I feel you are concentrating on yourself. You're being in your own element, and so are they. They're trying to concentrate on themselves. I think you guys need to become whole in yourselves so that you don't require each other to complete you. Always remember, guys, relationships are not two incomplete people coming together to complete each other. They're two whole people, complete individuals who come together to make something beautiful. Yeah, guys. Somebody needs to forgive the other person. You need to meditate, you need to feel good, you need to relax, you need to rejuvenate before sleeping so that the your next day becomes a little less stressed out. It becomes stress free, actually, to be very frank. Somebody needs to forgive the other person. In case you guys are wanting to start a new relationship with somebody else, you need closure from this. You need to give the other person closure as well. So make sure you don't rush into anything just because you want to get over somebody. Oopsie. Yeah, I think you want to manifest a new relationship, but you need to have closure first. In case you want to start, like, resume this relationship, you need to have a heart to heart conversation with each other. Only then can you proceed with it, because again you'll fall into that same cycle which is going to end up worse than it was earlier. But I feel things are changing. This person is trying to make a difference in their nature. They're trying to make efforts to, be there for you. Bring love into the situation, guys. I guess this is it. You need to talk it out, have a heart to heart conversation, not be rude, not hurt each other actually. And don't have this conversation in front of friends or other relatives, because they will only intervene and things can get mixed up. Just have it between the two of you, sort it out, try and come to a middle ground, reach a middle ground when it comes to this relationship, because I don't see anything wrong here. There is no third party, there's no deception, there are no lies. There's just lack of communication, which can be resolved, guys. It's not that serious. So make an effort and go ahead, Gemini, because I see great things for you. Bye. Thank you.